Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively do affiliate marketing using YouTube Shorts. Now, this might sound simple, but it's a bit more complex than it seems. There was a time when you could just create an YouTube short, drop an affiliate link in the description or in the comments, and watch the sales rolling in. But unfortunately, that option is no longer available and you can't create external links in YouTube Shorts anymore. So what's the new strategy? Before we get started, just to let you know, my name is Mahesh Sopari from Kolabic and I've been making a full-time living online for over 6 years through affiliate marketing. My focus has been on driving traffic, finding the right products to promote and building an email list. It's been a great journey working from home. And guys, I've seen countless strategies come and go. So I'm confident my experience can be a valuable resource for you. So if you are interested in learning about my top performing system for generating consistent online income through traffic and affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description down below. Get registered and watch my free masterclass. And guys, now let's dive into today's video. Alright, now the new approach involves using YouTube Shorts as a gateway to more traditional YouTube videos. Here is how it works. You create a short that grabs attention and then link it to a longer, more in-depth video. In this longer video, you can include your affiliate links. Take this as an example. I created a short video where I talk about how to make money just to listen to people complain. And this short gets people interested, but the real value comes in the linked video below. And this is where viewers can find my detailed video. And apart from that, they can even get other strategies to make money online. Not only with only one strategy, I've included around 5 different strategies so that people can start utilizing it and make money through online. And guys, I've uploaded these shorts few days back and it's already raked up to 400 views. And that's just the beginning. This method can help drive sales over time. Now, that's just one strategy, guys, but there's more to it. Since direct affiliate links in YouTube Shorts are no longer an option, you need to think creatively. One strategy is to focus your channel on a specific niche that you are passionate about. For example, my channel is all about affiliate marketing. I've created my own course and I sell my own course over there. And also I give free value for my subscribers who join my VIP community. And I have tons of videos where I talk more about affiliate marketing, business software reviews, make money strategies, and affiliate marketing tips and tricks. If affiliate marketing is not your thing, find a niche that is, maybe it's tech gadgets, fitness gear, or digital products like softwares or online courses. The key is to create shorts that excite your audience and then guide them to a longer video where you can dive deeper into the product and share your affiliate links. Another powerful strategy is to use YouTube Shorts to build an email list. Instead of linking each short in its own review video, you can funnel all your shorts to a main video that promotes a free resource like an ebook or a course. This way, you can collect emails and then after you can invite them to your private community if you have, and then you can promote one or more affiliate products through your affiliate marketing campaigns. But remember, if you're going the YouTube Shorts route, it's crucial to prioritize growing your channel first. YouTube Shorts are designed to keep viewers on the platform scrolling through content. This initial focus should be on building a solid subscriber base by providing valuable and engaging content. Once your channel has grown, you can start monetizing it through the YouTube Partner Program and then integrate affiliate marketing into your strategy. For example, my plan with this channel isn't just to do affiliate marketing through shorts. I'm focused on creating visually stunning videos that help grow my channel. As my subscriber base increases, I can start incorporating more long-form videos that promote affiliate products. It's like planting seeds with your shorts to grow a garden, which is your YouTube channel. Eventually, this garden will produce the fruit, and in this case, affiliate income. Speaking of affiliate products, let's talk about digital affiliate products. Okay, this can be incredibly lucrative, offering high commissions compared to physical products. For example, promoting online courses, software subscriptions, or digital marketing tools can earn you substantial commissions, sometimes up to 70% or more per sale. Think of platforms like Teachable, ClickFunnels, or Semrush, these digital products are in high demand and can bring in a consistent income if promoted correctly. Finally, a few more tips. Focus on creating shorts that provide real value and spark curiosity. Use strong call to actions in your shorts. Encourage viewers to click out the full video. Experiment with different formats and see what resonates with your audience. And most importantly, be patient. Building a successful affiliate marketing business with your YouTube short is a long-term game, but it's one that can pay off big time. To wrap things up, remember, focus on a niche, grow your channel first, leverage high commission digital products, and consider using email marketing. Be patient and consistent, and you'll start seeing results. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about how I make $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then visit the first link in the description and watch the free masterclass. And as a special bonus, I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. In this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So if you're really interested to join this community, then you can please visit the second link in the description, get registered, and be into this community and grab this bonus for absolutely free. This is for a limited time. Spots are filling really soon, so please take action and get into this community. And thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. So don't miss any further videos from now. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.